Welcome to this tutorial on best practices for Fidelity ATM access. As a Fidelity account holder, it is essential to understand how to securely and efficiently use Fidelity ATMs to manage your finances. First, ensure you have a Fidelity ATM or debit card and a personal identification number, known as a PIN. This PIN is your unique identifier and should be kept confidential to prevent unauthorized access to your account. When using a Fidelity ATM, start by locating an ATM near you. You can do this by visiting the Fidelity website or using the Fidelity mobile app. Once you find an ATM, insert your card and enter your PIN to begin the transaction. To protect your account, always be aware of your surroundings when using an ATM. Look for any suspicious activity or individuals lurking around the ATM. If you notice anything unusual, do not use the ATM and report it to Fidelity immediately. When entering your PIN, use your body to shield the keypad from view. This prevents others from seeing your PIN and potentially using it to access your account. Best practices for Fidelity ATM access include regularly reviewing your account statements to detect any suspicious transactions. If you notice any unauthorized activity, contact Fidelity right away to report the issue and prevent further unauthorized access. It is also essential to keep your Fidelity ATM or debit card and PIN in a safe and secure location. Avoid carrying your PIN with your card, and do not share your PIN with anyone, including family members or friends. In addition, be cautious when using ATMs in public areas, as they may be more vulnerable to tampering or other security risks. If an ATM retains your card or does not dispense cash, contact Fidelity immediately to report the issue and request assistance. By following these best practices for Fidelity ATM access, you can help protect your account and ensure secure and efficient transactions. Remember to always prioritize your account security and take necessary precautions when using Fidelity ATMs.